Peculiar Plastic Machinery, founded in 2017, specializes in high-quality plastic machines. These products are made from high-quality raw materials obtained from well-known vendors. Dryer and dehumidifier can adopt a 7-day automatic start-stop timer to improve energy saving. Self-contained and separate autoloaders can be helpful in material contamination and wastage during conveying. Volumetric doser consists of gravimetric blender under the series of dosing and mixing, plastic temperature conversion and meeting all types of temperature requirements, small speed, medium speed, high speed, and soundproof granulator is suitable for crushing sprues and results in very few material rejections. Automation solutions are designed for removing sprue, runner, and product from injection molding machines. Hot runner system is suitable for materials ranging from 0.6 to 0.8 mm. Extrusion process solutions are designed to feed multiple components in which constant gravimetric feeding is required. System solutions help you to enhance effectiveness, efficiency, and improved quality. Peculiar Plastic Machinery is the leading manufacturer and trader of the best quality of all kinds of plastic machinery. The offered machinery can be customized as per the specification provided by our customers.